about every 100,000 to 200,000 miles, the DPF and DOC systems need to go through their preventative maintenance, and they need to be cleaned. Sometimes when the sensors get taken out, threads will get either stripped, and sometimes the bungs are even cracked. Our first step, take the old bungs out, put in the new bungs, weigh it, and then to flow it, and then to put it into our trap blaster to be pneumatically cleaned at 100 psi from both the top and from the bottom. So after we've cleaned the filter, we will go ahead and put it in our kiln, and we will let it bake overnight for 9 hours, getting up to 1100 degrees. Before we go through the reinstalling or reassembling process, we want to make sure that we get all the existing gaskets out. The gaskets right here are from our dual band clamp. Just pop these out. You can use a 5-in-1 or a small screwdriver. And then you just want to go through and make sure that you can get as much existing gasket off as possible. So that way when you put your new dual band clamp back on, you know that you have a proper seal and you're not going to have any leaks. Now we're going to go ahead and prep our DPF systems and our clamps for reassemble. We have our brand new OEM NORMA manufactured clamps that we're going to put back onto our system. We recommend that you replace every single clamp that you get on your system. Your dual band clamps has this gasket seal inside of it, and every time you replace it, that gasket seal from the heat, it sticks to the metal. This gasket right here is ruined, so you have to replace the dual band clamp. I like to go ahead and put our clamps around our DPF systems before I even try to do the installation process. You can just slide your clamps down instead of trying to fight them and get them on afterwards. Here we have our DPF systems all prepped and ready to go with our clamps, brand new NORMA OEM manufactured clamps on there that we're going to go ahead and install.